Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the data source is clean and predictable. This prevents errors later. Once done, open your template and position the cursor where the first personalized field must go. Make sure to connect the spreadsheet or address list as the merge source so the fields match column names exactly. Don't waste time on cosmetic changes now. Focus on mapping fields and selecting the correct document type. This orientation step is what enables every following merge action to succeed. Next, insert merge fields where personalization belongs and use conditional logic for variable content. Once done, apply filters and sorting to target the exact recipients you want and preview several records to confirm spacing and punctuation. Make sure numeric and date formats are fixed in the data or via field switches so values render correctly. If you need different copy for segments, use IF rules. Otherwise, keep the template simple. This middle phase is where accuracy prevents mass errors. To finish, choose whether to print, create individual files, or send emails. Set delivery options like subject and attachments, then run a small batch first. Once satisfied, execute the full merge and save merged documents plus a log for auditing. Make sure to back up the original data and template. If something goes wrong, rerun the merge with a tiny sample, verify field mapping and file encoding, and correct the source spreadsheet. This single check usually resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.